Hello everybody! Today we're going to do the start of Unit 6 in Let's Go 5. This unit is called Fun in the Seasons, so we're going to learn about different seasons. And first off we had, who's that? Andy and Scott, and they're just talking about their favorite seasons and why they like them. Let's watch that video.
Summer is my favorite season.
Why?
Because it's hot and there's no school. I have a lot of free time and I can go to the beach every day. What's your favorite season?
I love winter.
Why?
Because I love the snow and I like skiing. I go skiing with my family every weekend.
I like skiing too.
Really? I didn't know that. But you like summer. You can't go skiing in summer.
Oh yes, I can. I can go water skiing. I like water skiing.
That sounds like fun. Let's go water skiing this summer.
Okay, I can teach you.
Great.
Can you ski or water ski?
Okay, at the end of the video, we had this little pattern in our books, and it was, I like, that sounds like fun. Let's practice that.
Winter is my favorite season.
Why do you like it?
Because I like skiing.
I like skiing. That sounds like fun.
Fall is my favorite season.
Why do you like it?
Because I like camping.
I like camping. That sounds like fun.
Spring is my favorite season.
Why do you like it?
Because I like flying kites.
I like flying kites. That sounds like fun.
Cool. And the next thing that we had were some different activities, and these activities are just for each season. They look like this.
Ice skating. Skiing. Planting flowers. Flying kites. Going to the beach. Water skiing. Camping. Picking apples.
Cool. And then we had the pattern, why do you like Why do you like winter? Why do you like summer? It looked like this in your books. And this pattern is kind of important because it's the first time we had a why question. When we use the word why, we want to know a reason. So we usually have to say because. So following our pattern, if we said, why do you like winter? I would have to answer with, I like winter because I like snow, because I like skiing, because I like making snowmen. Any answer can go in there, but let's try and practice it right now.
Why do you like summer?
I like summer because I like going to the beach.
Why do you like fall?
I like fall because I like picking apples.
Why do you like winter?
I like winter because I like ice skating.
Great. I think that's all that we need to do for practice today, so we can jump straight into our workbooks. Okay, we're going to do the workbook part A on page 46, and it just says look, read, and check. This is the start of Unit 6, so all of this stuff is from the Let's Talk section. Here we go. Number 1, what's your favorite season? Summer. Why? Because there's no school. Okay, and that picture should be this one, because in this one they all have backpacks and it looks like fall. So this is the picture. Number 2, what's your favorite season? Winter. Why? Because I like skiing. There's skiing right there. Put a check. Number 3, I like skiing too. Water skiing? That sounds like fun. All right, and this is regular skiing. This is water skiing, skiing on the water. Part A is done. And this is part B. It just says read and circle. So you have to read the sentence and then circle the right answer. I like water skiing. Good idea. I like water skiing. That sounds like fun. What's your favorite season? Summer. I think so. What's your favorite season? Summer. Why? My favorite season is winter. Why? Because I like skiing. My favorite season is winter. Are you sure? Because I like skiing. All right, part B is done. Okay, this is part C, and it says look, read, and write. So we have all of these helping words up in here. And basically, we're just going to read the question and write an answer. And in number 4, we have 3 and 4, we have to write the questions too. Okay, so here we go. Number 1, why do you like summer? I like summer because I like going to the beach. Here we go, let's trace it. I like summer, M-M-E-R, because I like going to the beach. Not me. I hate summer because I hate humid weather. Cross that off. Number 2. Why do you like fall? Okay, so we'll take the same style as this. I like fall because I like fall because I like, and up here, skiing, no. Planting flowers, no. Picking apples, yes. Picking, C-K-I-N-G, apples, A-P-P-L-E-S. Great. So let's cross it off and then move it up. The next one, spring. Okay, so it's the same question, a why question. Why do you like spring? Again, the same answer. I like spring because I like spring because B-E-C-A-U-S-E I like. Okay, and the only ones that are left are skiing, no. Planting flowers, yes. Planting flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Cross it off. The last one, winter. Same question. Why do you like winter? And same answer. I like winter because I like, there's only one word left up there, and it's skiing. S-K-I-I-N-G. All right, part C is done. Okay, this is part D, and it says, what about you? Right. All right, number 1. I like because I like So here we can put in the season that we like. For me, that's fall. And I like fall because I like the cool weather. The weather is perfect in the fall. Okay, and you can put whatever you want in here. I like winter because I like making snowmen. I like fall because I like hiking. I like summer because I like water skiing. It's up to you. Number 2, I don't like because I don't because All right, so for number 2, we have to pick the season that we don't like. And for me, that would be summer. I don't like summer because I don't like sweating. Sweating means when the water comes out of your body because you're hot, and I don't like that. Again, you can pick whatever season you don't like in here. You could say, I don't like fall because I don't like going to school. I don't like winter because I don't like shivering and being cold. I don't like spring because I don't like flowers or bees. Whatever you pick, it's okay. Good job. We are finished these pages.